for you. You here for your court date? Go ahead and follow the blue stars back, and we're waiting for you in the back room.
Hi, welcome. This is where we're going to have court. Just go ahead and have a seat here, and then we'll get that door so nobody can hear us here. So, what's going to happen today is that we're going to be looking at this computer screen here. There's a camera here, and it's taking a picture of me. Sometimes the court will want to see you, so I'll just turn that. We'll see the judge up here. There'll be a little mute button, and it'll be here. There's a red line across it. Whenever there's no red line, the court's going to be able to hear you. But I'll do the talking for you. If the court asks you any questions, it'll be very easy questions that we've talked about before. So it should be very quick and easy. So if you have any questions, it's a good time to ask me now. But if you have questions during the Zoom meeting, we call it, just kind of wave your hand and we can take the video off, take the sound off and talk about it and make sure everything goes your way. So.